Ajit Colonel Ravindranath Veer Chakra to come and address the Augustus gathering.
To brief the gathering about the proceedings of the Ajit's Business Forum meeting. Ajits have been complaining or talking amongst themselves for a very long time as to the Ajits meet every year can be summed up in KPK. That means there's a short form for saying Khaye Piye Khiske. And so every time there is a complaint that we are not doing anything meaningful for Ajits, for networking, for other issues. The first step towards this was taken during the Belgaum meet, where they set the ball rolling by having a few meetings before the event as to where people who can afford or who have like-minded people can get together and discuss amongst themselves and come out with kind of an action plan which they themselves will implement. So here I am reporting about the ongoings of yesterday's business forum meet. We are to be eternally grateful to Bhima Patil and this team for having conjured up this idea of getting the entrepreneurs together to be able to meet. Because as Mr. Gopal Osur and others have pointed out, that as soon as we come here and we meet our classmates and then we are no more ourselves, we are boys or students back in Sunny school, and then we forget rest of it, and then we get back from this place. So all that networking and etc. we talk about, nothing was taking place on that issue. So that is keeping this in mind, this meet was organized, and Captain Sandesh was the driving force behind it. Of course, we gave our 2 pennies worth of input whenever asked for. So the meet yesterday discussed on 2-3 issues as to what it is to be an entrepreneur and what are the problems faced by entrepreneurs and how the fraternity can help. In just the issue of entrepreneur as to who can be or who is an entrepreneur, emerged as that man who can plan to the last detail and execute and take on the responsibility for execution will be an entrepreneur. So all those of you who feel that you can plan and execute to the last detail, including mobilizing resources and everything, you are entrepreneurs. The second issue was that we found that there is a wide variety of inputs which are there available from the fraternity, which can really help an entrepreneur refine his plan so that when he really goes out into the real world and executes his